Now moving on to the topic that how organs when combined together form an organ system. In the previous lecture portion or slide we talked about brain, heart and lungs. So brain comprises of nervous system. The organ heart comprises of cardiovascular system. The organ lungs comprises of respiratory system. The ovary or penis comprises of reproductive system. Similarly, you have liver and you have pancreas, which form different organ systems. So, if you talk about different simple animals, so their cells are organized into tissues, and then tissues to organs, and then organs into organ systems. Take example of jellyfish. Jellyfish is that one that have tissues but it does not have true organs. Similarly, sponges that do not have true organs, but complex multicellular organisms like human beings and other animals, they have tissues, they have organs, and then organs comprising of when organs combine for similar function, they form organ systems. So each of the system have a specific function. Let's talk about nervous system. So nervous system is consisting of brain, nerves, a network of nerves, and spinal cord. So what kind of function it has? It controls the activity of the body. It ensures that the parts of the body work together smoothly, and also enables the body to respond to changes. Changes like touching, feeling, tasting, feeling hot and cold, tasting sour, bitter, or if you feelings and emotions, fear, hatred, anger. Similarly, you have blood circulatory system which comprise of heart, arteries and its network. You have veins and its network. Arteries carry oxygenated blood, veins carry deoxygenated blood. That's why they are blue in color. Arteries are red in color because they carry oxygenated blood. So this blood circulatory system has the function to transport first digested food, second oxygen, carbon dioxide and other useful or maybe sometimes waste materials to various part of the body. So blood circulatory system is different from nervous system. Similarly, digestive system, which comprises of organs of mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. These different organs when combined together they form a single digestive system, and this system has a function to break down food particles into simple or smaller particles or smaller forms so that they can be easily absorbed into the bloodstream. Now talking about skeletal system. The skeletal system is a system of bones. There are different kinds of bones. You have skull, rib bone, backbone, finger bone and thigh bone. So collection of these organs comprise of skeletal system, and this skeletal system is again here to support the body. It provides proper structure to the body, and it gives the body a particular shape. So a human skeletal system will be completely different from an animal. Let's say elephant skeletal system, and elephant skeletal system will be completely different from for example, from a cow skeletal system. So different beings have different skeletal system because they have different needs and they have different requirements and they have to perform different functions which differ from organism to organism. So it protects organs like heart and lungs and brain, and it works with the muscles and tendons to enable the movement. Then you have muscular tissue. It comprises of all the muscles present in our body. So muscular system, you have thigh muscles, thigh muscles are there on the thigh region. You have shoulder muscles that again cause the movement of hands. You have muscles in your belly that functions during respiratory processes when you are breathing, so it enables movement. Then you have muscles in your hand that allows the motion of the hand. Again, you have let's talk about another system in humans. It's respiratory system. So respiratory system, which starts from nose, it includes trachea. Trachea is different from esophagus. Esophagus is the tract that carries food particles, whereas trachea, which is different from the esophagus, it carries gases. Then this trachea branches into two. It forms bronchus or bronchi, and then you have lungs, a pair of lungs. So this respiratory system has a function to carry out exchange of gases between the body and the external environment.